How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 66 Chevy II Nova, done in a gorgeous plum. Super nice little car. Got a steel cowl hood on it. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. See all the chrome, everything on this car is gorgeous. Bumpers all been re-chromed. Looks like the original grille. Have to kind of bear with us. The sun keeps coming and going. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. It's got all the SS trim on it. It's a good, solid car. Got all smoke tinted glass. It's original tail panel on the trim on the deck lid. It's excellent shape. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. It's got the LED tail lights. Car's nice and straight down the sides. I really like it's got a cream interior in it. Very, very nice. It's got power disc brakes up front. It's got a 355 with aluminum heads. Got a little B&M street blower. Again, it's got the power front disc brakes. Got stainless headers. Nice aluminum radiator. It's all very nicely detailed. Wish we had a little more sun. It's got a cream interior. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Dash is all in excellent shape. Got a nice AM FM CD stereo system. We got the factory buckets and console. Headliner's real nice in the car. Nice and tight. Interior all looks very, very nice. Got front and rear seat belts added. The jams are all real nice on the car. Trunk all looks real good. I tell you, it's probably one of the nicer Chevy 2s I've seen in a while. Got the original center console in it. Shifter's been reworked to work with the 350 turbo trans. Thing fires right up. Got the 10-bolt posi rear with a 323 gear. The thing is super drivable. Got full exhaust, duals all the way out the back. I really like the LED tail lights in it. Backup lights, everything works. It's just a super nice car, guys. The color, the plum with the cream interior is just gorgeous. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.